Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Costco run for necessities for me and my large family. So I thought I'd share what we buy from Costco. During the video I'll explain to you like why I buy these things. I literally save money going to Costco. I know a lot of people think like Costco's overpriced, but really guys, if you have a large family and like 3 teenage daughters who use like a shitload of shampoo, like this is what you need to do. Like these are my hacks, you guys. Also, I hope you guys had an amazing Halloween. We had a really good one, except for the fact that a lot of houses did not pass out candy, because these days like everybody does a trunk or treat, and to me like I just don't like that experience. I like the whole knocking on doors. Here's a little taste of how our Halloween went.
Happy Halloween.
Show them your costume.
I'm Shazam.
We're gonna go trick-or-treating. Are you excited, Enrique?
Yeah.
So am I. So I'm Mary Poppins. If you haven't seen my last video, check it out. I DIY'd this entire costume. So yeah, check it out. Okay, so Alyssa's the Rock, you guys.
I bet no one's gonna know who I am, but it's fine, because I know who I am.
And just for the record, Alyssa had me buy her 3 costumes. You're so annoying. He's a pro.
Thank you.
Did you say thank you?
Wait, let me
No rocking on the grass.
Trick or treat.
Can you guys guess who I am? Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Don't walk on the grass. Don't walk on the grass.
It's the Flash! No! Can you guess who I am?
You're you.
I'm the Rock.
You're the. Oh, that's right. Back in the Rock when he was WWE. But show me the look. Show me the eyebrows. I didn't do it.
I can do it.
She's a nerd. Thank you. I asked Alyssa for a candy and this is what she gives me.
I hate M&Ms. Yeah.
Thanks, Alyssa.
Trick or treat. Here you go. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Trick or meet. I mean trick or treat.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Oh, you do it.
No, you not.
You guys, can you just let me get this shot, please? What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
What do you say about this trick or treat?
Yeah, that's okay.
Look at me.
Walking in the hall. Mom, you're not cool.
Enrique just told me right now, look how many candies I have, and I asked him for one and then he said, Mom, I don't have that many candy. Yeah, it was good. I mean, he didn't get a ton of candy, but he got enough. But how annoying is Alyssa asking everyone who she was? Anyway, let's go to Costco. My first hack is to stick your kid in the basket. Are you comfortable, Enrique?
Yeah.
Alyssa's the only kid who makes TikTok while she's walking in Costco. Like she can't wait till she gets inside. Do not follow her on TikTok.
What the heck? What is it about me? Okay.
I got it. Don't you even try to buy stuff on this corner. I need to be on the aisle. Babe, can we get it on the aisle though?
Why?
It looks better for my video. How does Dad shop? That's how Rick shops. Us, we take our time.
Where's the toothpaste?
Over here, this way. We take our time.
Where's the toothpaste, huh?
Rick even wants to buy stuff
Because
on
you
the
want this?
walk-in.
No? Okay, I will get it.
And I'm like, no, I want to go buy it so it looks better on my video. What do you think I came for? I'm just kidding. I'm going to be picking up some toothbrushes. They're only $9.99. Let me try and focus on that. So they're only $9.99 and they come with all these. So I buy these like every 4 months. I buy these.
You buy them every month. Don't even.
Okay, we like new toothbrushes very often, you guys. So yeah, always buy your toothbrushes from Costco, especially when you have a lot of kids, like, and they use them for their shoes.
What the heck? Oh yeah.
And I just recently bought some toothpaste, like maybe 2 months ago, so I still am pretty stocked up. I honestly usually go with whatever is on sale. Like, I don't have a preference. Today the Pantene is on sale, so it's only $7.99. You guys, this will last me for 2 months. But if I buy this from Target or Walmart, literally the girls will use it up in a week. You know, we all have all this hair in our house, so yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm also gonna go with a shampoo. Excuse me, baby. So I'm also going to be picking up, why is it so bright? Sorry about that. I'm also going to be picking up a Head and Shoulders. It's normally like $8.99 to $9.99 for the Head and Shoulders for the size, but I got to get it now. I'm out of it and Skyla needs this stuff.
Real bad.
Anyways, okay. I used to only buy Dove before, but then I learned that it leaves a film on your shower. So I started using Caress and I totally noticed a difference. Like my shower is not all grimy. So now I just get Caress and it's cheaper, only $8.99. Okay, I'm also gonna be picking up some cheese because I'm like always running out. You guys should always be buying your cheese from Costco. The prices are amazing. I mean, excuse me, for 2 pounds, it's only $5.79. That's like crazy. You're so annoying today, aren't you? I'm sorry. Okay, so this is stuck. Okay, so I'm also going to be picking up some ground beef. I ran out of it. This is 5 packs for only $17.49. You guys, it's such a good deal, and they put no slime in their ground beef, so yeah, you always want to pick up your ground beef from Costco.
Slime.
Okay, and Enrique is officially out of the basket. I gotta hurry. Come on, let's go, buddy. Okay, so these are crunchy, crispy, gluten-free jalapeno fried. You've had them?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna eat chips this weekend, so. And they're only $3. Oh my god, those look so good. And we always buy our water from Costco, you guys. Literally, this is
One right now, right?
the best deal. Yeah, one's fine. I normally go with the Tide Pods, but Kirkland just started making their own Tide Pods, so I'm gonna try these out. They're only $17.99 and it's 152 loads, so I'm gonna go with these. I'll let you guys know how it works in a week. So these Tide Pods are 168 packs. It's $30. So we're saving about $15 on the other Tide Pods. Okay, calm down. Calm down, Enrique, okay? That's enough. Okay, so paper towels is always a must at Costco. You guys, I used to like always want to go with Bounty, but literally like Kirkland brand is so much better, and you can cut them where they're small. They're not like the whole paper towel. And that's what I need for the kids. The kids use them like napkins. We use them like so much. So we need one of these once a month, you guys. And of course we go with, I think it's a little dark. Of course we go with Kirkland toilet paper. It lasted longer, trust me. For all the toilet paper that is used in my house, Kirkland is the brand you want to use. Okay, and then we're gonna get Enrique, and then Enrique needs some diapers.
Enrique needs diapers, okay?
Stop, that's too far. What diapers do you want?
I want no diapers.
I'm just kidding. What?
Oh my god.
What are you trying to do? Make him look?
Made you look.
No, dude.
No, yes, you look. Don't even lie.
Oh no, we're not getting winged into you again, Sparklet. Yeah, I'm also gonna be picking up some taco seasoning, you guys. This is literally $5.89, and look at all this it comes with. It's so much cheaper than buying those little packs. It lasts like forever. So we're gonna be picking up some flannel sheets, you guys. These are literally perfect for the kids.
Stop saying honestly. Like, honestly is my word. Honestly, bro. Like, honestly.
Your wife likes these white ones.
Ain't nobody care. Ew. Ugh.
Stop.
I'm gonna get you. Hey. Okay, I don't. Ow!
Walk away.
Now you can't even fit.
So we're getting matching sheets for Skyla and Alyssa.
Ugh, no, stop.
Oh, look at Skyla and Alyssa are gonna match. Okay, and these are only $14.99 right now, you guys. These Lauren Crest sheets are only $14.99 in white. And I think Costco's trying to like liquefy them and get rid. Can you guys stop fighting, please? Oh my goodness. It's fine, I'm fine. I just love being a mom.
Okay, so they're trying to liquefy them, so they have them on sale right now for $14.99. So we picked up 2 sets. Why would you do this? Come on, help me, Alyssa. He's gonna break the box. Help me. Okay, stop.
See, that's why you're getting into the box again if you don't stop.
Oh my God. Another thing I always recommend from Costco are their blankets. Literally, they're the best. Trying to see if I find Skyla one. Oh my God, you guys, this is like literally so thick, you guys. It feels incredible, like incredible. Look how thick that is. Okay, I just want to say for the record, we came here for soap and shampoo. So the grand total was only $241, but this is stuff that's gonna last us for months and months. So yeah.